Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this easy bow. You just wrap it around your fingers and just do exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to have this video placed in slow motion so you can follow me step by step. Just going to wrap around your two fingers and then kind of do like a crisscross. Bring it back over and around. This will give you a two bow effect for an easy bow you can use for any type of project or for presents. It's real easy and simple to do. So then you just cross it over. After you do those simple steps, you might have to rewind and watch it again. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time so you know how to loop it around all of your fingers. It does take practice and you may need to stop it and go back. Now you're going to tuck it under the last part and then loop it all the way around, just like shown in the back is going to be the front part of the bow, and then loop it back around. Then you're going to loop it under and wrap it around. So go up and under and then pull it, and that will create a knot. I'm going to show you one more time. Okay, I'm going to show you again how to loop it under so it does create a knot. Okay, after it's tied and secured, you're going to take it off your fingers and then cut the ends, and you can use a thicker ribbon or thinner ribbon too on your fingers. You would just have to take it down a little bit on your finger so there is enough room, and then your bow is complete. It's pretty easy and simple, and this is great for any type of package or project you're working on or crochet pattern. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can make the ribbon ends shorter or longer, just depending on how you would like it to look at the end. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.